To schedule an exam in Clockwork, click on Tests and Exams. We will begin by going over the buttons in the menu ribbon under View. The backward and forward buttons advance the current date range by a week at a time. For example, our date range is Thursday, January 6th to February 7th, 2022. By clicking the forward button, the date range is advanced to Thursday, January 13th to February 14th, 2022. The Today button changes the start of the display to today's date and keeps the same number of days in the display. The Refresh button updates or reloads the display with any new data or settings that you have made. The Set Date Range is one place where you can set the date range of tests and exams. The Set Date Range allows you to input a specific date range. For instance, December 13th to December 17th, 2021. We can now see all exams booked between the days of December 13th to December 17th, 2021. The Test and Exam Booking tab lists all the tests and exams that are booked in the testing centers. Data in the Test and Exam Bookings tab can be filtered for specific campuses. For instance, the room can be filtered to show only those for the Northwest campus. From this view, we can sort the exams by day. We can sort the exams by the scheduled start date or by room. The Calendar tab allows you to see the test and exam bookings in a calendar format. To change the viewable range of rooms, click on the arrows or the plus minus at the bottom of the screen. The rooms are listed in alphabetical order. To view more rooms on the calendar, click the plus or minus button. Right-click on the calendar to go to a specific date. Here we can see the exams scheduled on Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. To go back to the current date, right-click and click on Go to Today. To create a new booking, click on New Booking. Select the student by entering the name or student ID number. The student courses will populate under Step 2, Select a Course. Select the course you are booking the exam for and click on Enter a New Class Test. Enter the date and time the class is taking the exam. Click Save. The exam will appear under Step 3, Specify Class Date and Time. Double-click on the exam. The test detail window will open. This window provides the student name and ID number, the course, and the class date and time. To edit the class test day and time, click here. Edit the day and time if necessary and click Save. Window will open notifying you that the class test has changed. It will recommend to change the scheduled time to the date of the class test, or you have the option to leave the scheduled time unchanged and edit it manually. Additional information will need to be provided or selected in this window. If the student is approved for time plus half extended time, the duration will automatically be calculated by Clockwork. If the student receives double extended time, the duration of the exam must be manually adjusted to reflect the extended time. Next, click the drop-down arrow beside Type to select the type of exam. Click the drop-down arrow beside Seat to assign a desk or room for the student. Uncheck any accommodations the student will not need for this test or exam. Enter any notes you may have in the private notes section. Verify all information is correct and press Save. Click on the Tests and Exams Booking tab. Right-click and select the day the exam was scheduled for. Click OK, and the scheduled exam is listed under the Test Exam and Bookings tab. The test will also be displayed on the calendar. At any time, you can double-click in the calendar view, and the test detail window will open. When the instructor has provided the exam, click here to indicate the exam has been received. From the test detail window, you have the option to mark the student as a no-show or cancel the exam altogether. To delete an exam, right-click and click Delete. A window will open verifying that you wish to delete the test booking. Click I understand that I will lose the information contained in this appointment and click Delete this appointment. The appointment will no longer be available on the Test Exam Bookings tab or the calendar.